Hey pack leaders, I want to give you this file to show you. I have a kid with me. How to say? Give me pussy. How to install the quick start file. This is Eli here. And alright, so once you get to this file, you're gonna have to replace your IP address port number and your secret API key, and then drop that file into your folder here in your void folder. So it'll replace this file. Oh, do we even have this in here? Yeah, it'll replace this file. I should have an auto tuner settings file in here. Once you replace that, then you should be good to go. And just load it up. It'll load right up. Okay. So once you're in, then just make sure you go ahead and create the bots. You know, this should be all set up properly at certain percentages. You could probably use a higher percentage of your wallet if you're just using ETH and XBT. But this should be pretty conservative, okay? And once you see that it is doing well, you can increase your trade size position to maybe 33%. And that's probably as high as I would probably go, just in case things do get liquidated. You have some money left over, but the trade amount should increase as your portfolio grows. Okay. Then you can go ahead and create your bot here. Make sure you XBT USD, add the market. It'll come out here. Then save it. Then create the bot. It'll create the bot. Once you're done, load it up over here. Once it's loaded, then you can go ahead and click save table, add the tuning list, save table, continuous tuning, and it'll start tuning and get it going. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and you'll start to see it profit. Okay. Alright, thanks. Talk to you then.